Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla having an interesting day today. So we are up $6.73. This is good for 0.91% at 743 even. Post-market, we are down by 70 cents. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Look at this. So we opened right here, so above the close of last Friday. And we had drawn this downward channel. So it appeared after the third day that Tesla was in a downward channel. And this is the channel that we drew. And so far, I have to say, Tesla has been respecting it pretty well. So we opened above the close of last Friday. And then look at how low we went. We went down to 709. So I have a support here. In fact, we have had that support for a while. It has been lingering there. And then we went and touched it, 709, but went right back into the channel here. The stock went down, but then was pushed back up. So a lot of buying pressure. And look at the volume here. The volume is higher than what it has been in the past, I would say, in the past couple of weeks. So pretty strong volume here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is a different channel that we had on the 1 hour chart. I adjusted this support here. So let me just change it to green, not to confuse people. A very short downward channel. It started September 10th at 9:30, and this is the candle that we had today at 9:30. We closed a little bit below 741 last Friday. So we opened a little bit higher, tried to break 741, but we could not. And then there was a big sell-off right here. So look at the volume here. Big sell-off, and based on Tom Nash's videos, it seems like Cathie Wood is selling some Tesla stock. So maybe it's her, I don't know, and I don't care that much. But there has been a lot of selling here. So a lot of selling, and then at the same time, the stock has found a ceiling right here at 709, and then we climbed back up and we broke above 741. The 741 support was broken last Friday, but we recovered and we are right above 741 right here. We are back into this congestion zone. Let's go back to the daily chart. As I mentioned last time, so 709 and then went back up into this channel. We are towards the bottom of that channel. So maybe we are going to head up to the resistance side of the channel. And then the big question is, are we going to break this resistance here? Or are we just going to zigzag in and out and come down slowly over here? Let's look at the indicators. Stochastic at 81, still pretty good. MACD is looking like it's gonna cross over bearish, and DMI is also close to crossing over bearish. So there you have it. A lot of volatility in the stock. In terms of the pattern, we are still in the daily downward pattern. On the 1 hour chart, we were inside a downward channel, but that has been broken. So if we maintain over 741, this channel is no longer effective and the stock seems to be going sideways from an hourly perspective. From a daily perspective, the stock might be going up to this resistance here because we had such a big buying pressure during the day that this buying pressure might continue tomorrow. And I would not be surprised if we hit 750 something. It's not impossible that we get there. So let's just keep our eyes peeled. This is what is making the stock market very interesting because there's always new stuff happening. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a member. You can click on some TradingView affiliate link to get a discount on the TradingView plans. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I hope you had a great weekend. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.